In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable data retention on Perplexity AI. If you care about keeping your conversations private and minimizing how long they're stored, this quick walkthrough is for you. Data retention simply means how long your chats and activity are kept on file. Turning it off helps limit long-term storage and can reduce how your interactions are used to improve services. It's a small setting with meaningful privacy benefits. Start by opening your Perplexity account. Launch the website or the app and make sure you're signed into the account you want to adjust. It's a good idea to double-check you're in the correct profile if you use more than one, because this setting applies at the account level. Next, go to Account and Settings. Look for your profile image or a gear icon, usually at the top or in a sidebar. Open it to access the main settings area. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with what's here, since related controls like language, interface preferences, and security live in the same place. Inside Settings, click Preferences. This is where Perplexity groups most of the personalization and privacy-related options. Preferences is the hub for things that shape how the tool behaves for you, so it's the logical place for data choices as well. Now scroll down until you see the data retention option. You'll find a toggle next to it. Switch that toggle off to disable data retention. When the toggle moves to the off position, you're telling Perplexity not to retain your future interactions beyond what's necessary for immediate functionality. Most interfaces save this choice automatically, so you shouldn't need to click anything else. If the toggle is already off, you're all set. A few quick tips as you finish up. First, this setting primarily affects what happens going forward. It typically doesn't retroactively erase past history. Second, turning off data retention can slightly reduce personalization, since less of your activity is kept. That's a trade-off many people are comfortable with to increase privacy. And third, if the layout changes in a future update, the option should still live under Preferences or a closely named Privacy section, so the path will be similar. To recap, open your Perplexity account, go to Account and Settings, choose Preferences, and then scroll to Data Retention and switch the toggle off. That's all it takes to reduce how long your conversations are stored. Thanks for watching, and take a moment after this video to review your other privacy settings so your account reflects your comfort level.